Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO here, coming to you to give updates where we are. We're already on the way to the 2,000 mark in the bank account, or business account as we call it. We need your help to get the J. Marie here. We're cutting it close, but we're going to try to see if we can get it here in time for the test runs. We need the funds. We need your help. Make sure to scan the QR code. Check out the flyer I have available. Let me see here. We were supposed to do a live from Sky Railways. We couldn't do it because of the rain, so we pulled the plug on any video recording and live stream. But we have a little clip on YouTube right now of what it was coming back, so we do have a little video on there, so take a look when you can. Not this weekend, but next weekend is New Mexico Heritage Railroad Days 2025. Me and my team will be set up out at Railroad Days at a booth. We'll have our booth up and running again like we did last year. We need your help with donations. If you're coming to the event, stop by the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation booth or the ERREC booth. We have a donation box that will be on site. That's all redone with stuff featuring with the J. Marie, what we're doing, and we'll have like posters out to show what's going on with our merch. We have merch that's not going to be available, but we'll be able to show like pictures of it and stuff. That's our plan. So what our plan is if we can raise the funds on the, at least get started more on the funds raising at Railroad Days, that will help. Make sure to scan the QR code for the Zeffy GoFundMe or Zeffy fundraiser. Anything you donate to the Zeffy, it's 100% comes to us. We're a non-profit. We're a business, company. We're all above. So any money we make goes right back to getting more cars going. So make sure to donate today. If you haven't yet, please do. So Railroad Days, we will be out there on Saturday all day almost from 10 to 6. And on Sunday from 10 to 2. And then that will be that will be the final setup for this year. But the fundraising goes on forever. Bonfire Store has some new merch up with 50/30 on it. Rail Runner, anything you can think of. If you are interested, we have merch on the Bonfire Store. We also have new merch on the Spring. I updated the Spring store finally. We got stuff with 50/30. We got stuff with Rail Runner. We got stuff, you name it, we got it. And it's there's a discount going on right now. If you where it doesn't expire. If you use FanFave15, you get 50% off of your order. Here's the new merch on the Spring store. The links to the stores will be in the description down below. Try to get this repositioned here. Hold on, guys. There's the Spring store stuff. That's one of the mugs from 50/30 I took just recently when I went up to Santa Fe. And then we have some new shirts on the Bonfire. Plus we also have mugs there too. So if you're interested in stuff like that, then come on over. That's the Bonfire shirts that we have available. We have 50/30 on one side and then the name of the company on the front. So come and get your merch today. Like I said, links will be in the description down below. We need your help, guys, because we're down to the wire. If we can get the J. Marie here a little bit quicker, we'll be able to get it behind 29-26 ready to go. We even have some picture merch from the picture of the Sunset Serenade that I got after the rains died down a little bit. We have duffel bags. We have everything on Bonfire. So come and help us out. Let's raise the funds. All sales goes to help bring the J. Marie home. faster. And our plan is to get it certified. So here's a little info on the J. Marie, what we're doing. And if we can get here before next year, before the big 250th anniversary of America, we can have the car here in time, ready to go. And we'll be able to have it open for tours. And eventually, probably rides if we can get it ready in time. We still want to do some interior stuff to it, so make sure to help us raise the funds. Because if we can raise the funds, faster we get the car here, the faster we can get to work on it and get it ready to go. Like it says, J. Marie Arrival, one rail car, one chance, or else we miss out on the opportunity that we want. So come on, people. Donate to the GoFundMe today. Or not the GoFundMe, the Zeffy today. GoFundMe is no more, so let's get the Zeffy up to amount that we need to go, the 230K. And all donations to the Zeffy fundraiser is tax deductible. So come donate to there, and that way we can get the car here, the funds we need, and that will give me time to go up and get the car. Because I'm gonna have to go pick it up, get it ready to move, and bring it home. Because we were gonna go UP and BNSF, but we're gonna try UP to Amtrak home. So let's do it, guys. We need your help. It's time. Let's do it, guys. Let's get this car home. I know you guys have been asking to get a rail car behind 2926. We're doing it. We're in. We're committed. All funds go to getting the J. Marie home faster. And we might be able to do another car too at the same time. We just gotta wait and see. So donate today. Thank you for taking your time for listening. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire CEO. Out.